Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Enhance your performance with the 2024 model Volkswagen Touareg Elegance 4Motion that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the stunning Meloe Blue Crystal Effect paintwork. This model can reach 0 to 62 in just 5.9 seconds with a whopping 376 brake horsepower. Complete as a petrol plug-in hybrid, it does combine the best of both, making it the ideal upgrade. You do also have your easily accessible charging hatch alongside enhanced visibility with your HD LED matrix headlights, stylish 20-inch bracket alloys, and for those tricky maneuvers, you do even have your reversing camera with an area view and added protection with power folding wing mirrors. And for those adventure seekers, you do have your power folding tow bar with the added convenience of an electronic tailgate as part of your comfort pack. This will expose a spacious boot area, ideal for all your travel essentials. Moving inside, the luxury does continue with a cream leather upholstery with access to your pull-down armrest and even your full zone climate control, making those longer trips much more comfortable. Moving into the front now, you will find your electronic seat adjustments with a memory function to get to that required position with ease, followed by your multifunctional leather steering wheel and access to your 15-inch touchscreen. And just opposite, the luxury does continue with your full leather trim again for easy maintenance. And for those summer months, you can open up the vehicle with a full glass panoramic sunroof with an electronic shade covering. And seamlessly navigate around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with the options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, and of course your hybrid options just to the left. You do also have your full view display of your navigation and the added bonus of your adaptive cruise and limiter options, keeping you at a safe distance. Moving across, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you well entertained, alongside your App Connect that does come compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As shown previously, you do have your built-in navigation system, so it is ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. And speaking of exploring, you do also have your off-road information, alongside the activation of your sensors, area view and reversing camera for those tricky maneuvers, reducing the chance of any minor bumps to the vehicle. And for enhanced performance, you do have a wide selection of different driving profiles, including your hybrid option, eco, sport, and even your snow and off-road, so you can be prepared for any situation. You do also have your on-screen air conditioning option to ensure a desired temperature all round, with the added bonus of your seat adjustments and heated function for the winter. This is followed just below by a handy wireless charging pocket, cup holders, and of course your option for your drive profile selection and hidden storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.